What is a map dictionary? Explained in simple words. What is a map dictionary in programming? A map, also called a dictionary in Python, is a data structure that stores data in key-value pairs. In simple words, map dictionary equals a container where each piece of data has a label key to find it quickly. This allows you to store, access, and organize data efficiently. Key concepts. Key, a unique identifier used to find a value. Value, the data associated with a key. Example, student equals name, Alice, age, 20, grade, A, closing curly bracket, name, age, grade means keys, Alice, 20, 8 means values. Why maps dictionaries are useful? Without dictionaries, you would need multiple lists or variables. Name equals Alice, age equals 20, grade equals A. This can get messy for larger data. Using a dictionary, student equals name, Alice, age, 20, grade, A. Now all related data is organized in one variable. Accessing values. You can access values using their keys. Print, student, name, print, student, age, output, Alice, 20. Modifying values. You can update values in a dictionary. Student, grade, equals A+. Print, student, output, name, Alice, age, 20, grade, A+. Adding new key value pairs. Student, major, equals computer science. Print, student, output, name, Alice, age, 20, grade, A+. Major, computer science. Removing key value pairs. Del student, age, print, student, output, name, Alice, grade, A+. Major, computer science. Common operations. Get keys. Student, keys, means dict_keys. Name, grade, major. Get values. Student, values, means dict_values. Alice, A+, computer science. Check if key exists. Name in student means true. Maps dictionaries versus lists. Feature map dictionary list. Access by key by index. Order keys are unique order matters. Can have duplicates. Best for lookup by label ordered collection of items. Example student, age, numbers, 0. Real-life analogy. Think of a dictionary like a real-life dictionary. Word equals key. Definition equals value. Or like a phone book. Name equals key. Phone number equals value. You can quickly look up information by the key. Important points about maps dictionaries. Checkmark keys must be unique. Checkmark values can be any type. Checkmark dictionaries are unordered. Python less than 3.7. But maintain insertion order in Python 3.7+. Checkmark use dictionaries for fast lookups, updates, and organization. Simple definition. A map dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs where each key uniquely identifies a value. Final summary. Maps dictionaries allow programmers to checkmark store related data in key-value pairs. Checkmark access values quickly using keys. Checkmark add, remove, or update data efficiently. Checkmark organize data for easy retrieval and manipulation. Without dictionaries, crossmark programs would be harder to manage with many variables. With dictionaries, checkmark data becomes structured, readable, and efficient.